Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 2nd, and we're going to show what's going on here with all these seeds we planted. And our radishes, we have two kinds. One of them has really taken off. The other one, it's a little behind. And our spinach, it's not come up yet, but that's fine. We got spinach out here. We planted a bunch of our peppers and our tomatoes, so we got all them in the ground. We got just a little Mitch Healy left. We'll give this to the chickens tomorrow, and so we'll have a little bit of space to plant some more plants. But as you can see, our old lettuce, it's still hanging in there. Our spinach is looking wonderful. Our celery's starting to take off, most of them. The few that was smaller, they're going to be a little bit behind, but these ones look like they're rooted in and they're wanting to go. Our parsley's looking good. Our marjorie's looking good. And our next batch of lettuce looks like it's ready to start picking leaves on it. Our mustard greens look fantastic. Our second batch of carrots here, they're doing good. I've been picking small ones for my salad. And our turnip greens that we forgot to plant and planted later, which they're coming on good. And now while we're back here, we've been getting to the last part of the garden, and we've redid these beds. Like I say, I was going to make a wider walkway here. So this bed's narrow, maybe 18 inches, but that's going to be fine for planting. We took out all the walkways and we're fighting the grass that's around the blueberries, taking it out because we've got to make sure we get the roots, otherwise we're going to be fighting it all the time. But the blueberries are starting to put leaves on, and a bunch of them's flowering, the ones that are the earlier varieties. Our cauliflower and broccoli's looking good. We got a few more peppers up there, and we've got a few peppers up this way. These carrots, they're getting a little bigger, big enough you can see them on camera easy. We just interplanted around these last few cabbages, put some peppers over there. Beets are looking good. We've just finally, our cucumber, one of the seeds germinated there, and looks like I'll let that go, but I think that's a weed, so we're still waiting on the others. But there's a few peppers. And our green beans, I can just start seeing them going to pop out. We've got a few of them showing, so it won't be long. Our green beans will be going. Harvested the broccoli today, and our squash that's here, no sign of any germination yet. These tomatoes, it's getting about time. We're going to have to put a cage on this when this is indeterminate, but we're going to have to watch it close because it suckers a lot, but it produces a lot. And it, like I say, it is indeterminate, but if you don't watch it close, it'd get out of hand in a hurry. And this red cherry here, it's getting about the size now. We'll start pruning lower leaves and get it to going. Our sweet potato slips, as you can see, they're starting to germinate now, so won't be long. And the other ones, they're doing good too. Looks like I got a wasp deciding to come after me. Our watermelons hadn't come up yet. These cantaloupes haven't come up yet. Now we are getting a lot of flowering on our fruit trees. They're all starting to come alive. We've got cantaloupes right here. They're Not coming up yet. It's still a little early. Seeds hadn't been in the ground for very long. Our onions are looking real good, and as you can see, we've got 3 rows of tomatoes. I didn't really plan to plant that many, but with the varieties we have, I did. You can't help it. Sometimes we get carried away. That's kind of, garden math is probably like chicken math. But our early peas, they're starting to germinate and come up, so that's good. These cucumbers here, they haven't come up yet. Now I've got a few peppers over there on that side, and I've got a couple more tomatoes there and a couple on this row. So you can see we've got a lot going on as far as growing. Now this row here, I hadn't mentioned it much, but this is turmeric. It'll probably be another month or so before it starts popping up. But this whole row, and we hope we got good germination from her when we planted that last year. Sometimes I end up failing. But anyway, things are looking good. We've got our roselle over here. We kind of put it off to itself. It kind of gets carried away, but they're doing good. Everything is really looking like a garden now. I hope that the rest of y'all are either making your plans or getting your crops in. I know the weather's kind of, for some, is kind of not looking like it's going to be good for planting yet for some of those summer crops, but there still is a lot of fall crops, or I'd say winter crops that you can grow. I've just seeded another batch of onions, so we have for some green onions. I got that done, and I seeded some Chinese cabbage, some more bok choy, and some more Mitchell-Healy. So it won't be long, that'll be ready. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, you know what to do if you want to see more. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.